In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively integrate a donation system into your Wix website, creating a seamless experience for your visitors to support your cause. Whether you're raising funds for a charity, a community project, or any other initiative, this tutorial will guide you through the process with clarity and ease. Let's start by accessing the Wix editor or studio on Google Chrome. Using Chrome ensures compatibility and a smoother experience, as Wix is optimized to work well with this browser. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account and open your website's editor. This is your digital workshop where all the creative magic happens. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to find and add the Wix Donations app. You can do this by navigating to the app market within Wix. The app market is a treasure trove of tools that Wix provides to enhance and expand your site's capabilities. In the search bar, type Wix Donations and locate the app. Click Add to Site, and it will be integrated directly into your website. This app is a powerful tool that allows visitors to conveniently contribute to your campaign. Now you're ready to customize your donation form, a crucial step to making your campaign both engaging and trustworthy. The form should include clear fields where donors can easily enter their information. Don't forget to set clear donation goals and payment methods, whether through credit card, PayPal, or other preferred methods. A well-defined goal can significantly boost motivation for potential donors, as it provides a tangible target they can help achieve. Be transparent about where their money is going and how it will be used. This builds trust and encourages generosity. With your form ready, it's time to embed the donation widget on your page. Choose a visible and strategic location on your website, such as a sidebar or a dedicated section on your home page, where visitors can easily notice and access it. Ensure your call to action is compelling and straightforward, as encouraging site visitors to engage with it. Promoting your donation campaign is key to maximizing its reach and impact. Share your website and donation efforts across your social media platforms, and consider sending out newsletters or emails to your contacts to generate more attention and support. A well-worded post or newsletter explaining your cause and inviting your community to contribute can make a huge difference. Finally, don't forget to save and publish your site after making all these additions. This step is crucial, as it ensures all your hard work is live and accessible to your audience. By clicking Publish, you're setting everything into motion, allowing visitors to start supporting your cause immediately. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to integrate donations on your Wix site. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be open for donations in no time. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck with your fundraising efforts.